Rich Rider from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Tuesday so far. Today we're going to take a look at this 2016 Honda HR-V LX in a modern steel metallic exterior. We're going to go ahead and walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you're going to take notice of are these halogen headlights. As I come down from that, you are going to take notice of that beautiful black powder-coated front lip there, as well as that black row insert along with the glossy black trim and that chrome trim running through the middle, accompanied by that beautiful chrome Honda logo. As we make our way to the side, let's go ahead and take a second to look at these wheels and tires. As you can see, it's going to come with beautiful 17-inch aluminum wheels with the 215/55 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. While we're over here on this side, let's go ahead and take a peek here at this interior. As you can see, it's going to come with a premium black cloth interior with the aerated holes. And as we turn around here to the dash, you are going to have that black dash finish along with some of this matte black trim running along all of your air vents. While we're over here as well, let's go ahead and drop this glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific HR-V, your tire depths are going to be 10 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front are going to be 12 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes being 8 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat, as you can see, that premium black cloth interior is going to stay consistent. Not to mention, right there behind your driver and passenger seat, you are going to have a 12-volt plug-in. Coming around to the rear, this vehicle is going to come equipped with a backup camera, so don't ever worry about backing up into anything. While we're back here, let's go ahead and pop this trunk for you guys, showing you guys how much space there actually is. As you can see, there is plenty of room back here to haul luggage on long trips or groceries or anything you guys can possibly think of. Making our way through some of the interior features of this vehicle, it is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, we're going to go ahead and start up for you guys. As you can see, you are going to get a nice little start up there on your middle and driver display from Honda. But I want you guys to also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 82,000 miles on it. And there are plenty of features here in the interior, so let's go ahead and show you guys every single one of those. If we take a look down here next to your steering wheel behind, you are going to have your traction control as well as your ABS, your gas cap, and your hood release down below. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be all of your headlight adjustments with your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel is going to be your middle display as well as your touch to talk down below. And on the right side, you're going to have all of your cruise control options. Making our way over here into the middle, you are going to have a stereo system that does come equipped with AM, FM, Bluetooth ready. And as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera. Now, all that stereo system options are located to the left and right side of that screen. Coming down even further, you're going to have the climate control right there to touch your fingertips, with your 4 ways being up top, as well as some small storage compartment up front here, with your beautiful 6-speed shifter knob, your parking brake, and your brake hold. Some more storage, as well as this little piece right here slides right back and opens, allowing for a center console. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 1.8 liter engine running on regular unleaded, pushing 141 horsepower. And you also take notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have just a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. Showing you guys every single wheel and tire as well. This front passenger side tire has seen its better days. As you can see, this wheel does have some slight curb rash there on the back side, as well as some scratches coming down here along the passenger side and that bottom trim piece there, as well as a small dent and some small imperfections up top here. More scratches coming along the trim. as well as on the door handle and back here on the rear passenger side door. Coming around to the rear passenger side tire, as you guys can see, this one has seen its better days as well. Some very good curb rashing there on that wheel. Coming around to the rear, here on this black trim piece, you are going to have some typical trunk scratches. All used vehicles typically have these trunk scratches. However, this one has quite a few of them, as well as some scratches here in the rear. Try and catch it here in the reflection so you guys can see them. There, some of them are here on this side, as well as some more coming down along that piece there. And then finally, coming back up here along the driver's side of the body, back here on the rear quarter panel, you are gonna have a pretty decent scratch running all the way back to the back glass, as well as some scratches up here next to that door handle. This rear driver's side tire has also seen its better days. As you guys can see, that wheel there is also pretty curb rashed. And then finally, making our way back up here to the front driver's side, is extremely good condition here on this front quarter panel. However, this wheel has also seen its better days with the curb rash there at the top, as well as down there below. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2016 Honda HR-V LX. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to turn post notifications on as well. Have a wonderful Tuesday, guys.